What's up, guys? You know we had to do them. The honeycomb rotors on the roller. You're getting it.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Irene, and today we're gonna be shooting 5 things I hate about this car. I think it's time to get started. Okay, guys, so number 1, hear this. That's plastic. Like, Austin's car, like, he has an SE Corolla, and it don't sound like that. I don't know what Honda did about this interior, but I can tell you this: it's all plastic. Number 2. So, I'm 4'10", okay? I'm short. Look at this. Austin just got out of driving my car, and I can't even reach. So guess what I have to do? We're still going, guys. And that's it. How many times did I do it? I don't even know. If you guys saw how many times I did it, comment down below and let me know, please. Hold up, I still gotta go forward. Okay, that's fine. But, you see this? I'm short. So, number 3. Yoda hand. 3. Look at this. Reverse. Don't get me wrong, it has 3 features, but this camera, trash. Not the best, but I do give you guys this. If you guys own or have seen a Honda Odyssey, it has a better camera than this. Just saying. What's up, guys? So, number 4. What is that? Not LED. That's for sure. But wait, there's more. There's no light whatsoever. Yep, nope, not even the second time. Wait, let's try one more time. No light. Oh, what's up, guys? So, number 5. Okay, look, I chose this color, so low-key on my end, it's my fault, but I love the sleek look. But deep down inside my heart, I freaking hate this color because no matter what, I have to always wipe it down. You could see the water spots. You could see the swirl marks. You could see every imperfection that there is. And it hurts so much. And like, it looks nice. It looks very beautiful. But it's not beautiful to clean. And yeah. That's 5 things. 5 things I hate about my car. Comment down below if you guys want to see 5 things I want to change about this car.
Welcome back, guys. So it is the next day, and yesterday I didn't get to update you guys, but I actually dropped off Irene's car to get tinted. And she's right here right next to me. I just got off work actually too, and she came by. So we're gonna go ahead and check the new tint out before we actually go and finish off our day. So, without further ado, let's go do, right?
Go do.
I'll get you guys on the next clip. Alrighty guys, after a couple minutes of driving, we were finally a minute out, as you can see right there. And well, I don't know why I'm really antsy for Irene, but I'm really anxious for some reason. So I'm gonna try my best to keep her blindfolded. Well, we don't even have a blindfold. She's literally using a hat right now, but we're right around the corner, so I'll pick up the camera as soon as I get there. Okay, so I just parked. There's a lot of trucks over here, but like I said, we just got it tinted all around. It's literally right in front of me. I can't show you guys yet because Irene hasn't seen it yet either. So I'm gonna go ahead and open Irene's door, and I'm gonna take her to her car and get her initial reaction. So, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned, all right? All right, so we're here, and check the car out.
Yeah! Yeah, dude. I'm so happy. Guys, I think it's your guys is trying to see it. In 3, 2.
Alrighty guys, so there you guys have it. Clean work again, MTS. We're gonna go ahead and try to see if we could talk to Marcus a little bit, and they could introduce their company more to you guys and explain more. And maybe there's just a little bit of a hint that we could possibly give you for a future video soon to come. So hang in tight. Let's go inside.
Hi, I'm Marcus with Marvelous Tint Solutions, or MTS. We do window tinting, custom graphics, and we specialize in our quality of our craftsmanship and our trade. Our shop show car is a 2006 Corvette, which we're going to show you some additional footage on in the future. You can find me at 9477 Greenback Lane in Folsom, right there on the border of Orangeville, Folsom, or on Greenback in between Maine and Madison, Suite 519. Our Instagram handle is MTS Window Tint.
All right, there you guys have it. Finally picked up Irene's car, and let me just tell you this, it looks so good. It looks a lot cleaner than being a fishbowl. So comment down below if you like your car tinted and if you ever had your car tinted. Because to me personally, once you get your car tinted all around, you will always want to get your car tinted all around. So with all that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next video on Monday. Stay tuned for the Corvette videos later on in the future with Marcus. And like always, stay positive and be awesome. Peace.
Y'all see what I see? I'll be looking a little bit yip, just saying. But honestly, I can't thank Marcus and his team enough. It feels like a whole new different car inside of there. Like, whew, I could finally see without having the sun cover me and everything. But I want to give a big shout out to them. I love their work and everything, and I'm honestly so happy now that my car's tinted. So yeah.